Yo, what's going on? This is a continuation of me putting together my cold laminating machine. In my first video, the video that's prior to this one, I had to take it apart because I didn't want to use, I didn't want to have the machine just sitting on top of the table and me, just turning. The way I want it is I want the roller to sit, this part right here to sit right down on the table. That way I can just go right over, roll over the table just like this. I won't have to go back and forth with the squeegee when I'm pressing on the vinyl letters, whether it's a wooden board, metal, or acrylic, or plastic. I can just take the roller and just roll right over it, and then go right back. Bam, the job is done just like that. So, in order for me to make that happen, I had to take this apart. So these two parts right here goes on both sides of this right here. So what I need right now is I need rails. I need a set of rails. One to attach at the side of the table going all the way across on this side, and the same for the other side. I'm gonna have to widen my table too, because this is about 40 inches wide. So that's how wide my table is gonna have to be. I'm gonna have to match my table up to the length of this. And then I can throw the rails on. And then I can attach these to the rails and have this thing put on, and then I'll be able to just roll it right across. Just like that. So now if you're wondering what the rails look like, of course it's stainless steel. I had to look it up on the internet to see the cost. And so I just want to show you a few examples of what some of the tables, other tables look like that some people use to create signs and banners and whatever. So I'm gonna take you over to my desktop screen and we're gonna see what we have. All right, so right now I'm in my table, my desk, my computer, and I went on Google and I typed in stainless steel rails for a laminated table, and this is what I come up with. They also have images of different types of laminated tables, so I just want to show you what some of them look like. Here's an example. I'm gonna see if I can blow the picture up. So this is what one would look like. This one here has an application, look like it has an application row at the end. And the laminator would be right here. And now this is what the electric kind look like. So you don't even have to use your hands to move it. All you gotta do is press the button, it'll come down. Well, I think you do move it. You could move it with your hands, but in order to make it come down to the table, I think you press the button, because some of these things work by electric, some work by air. So you just press the button, it automatically just come down, and then you can like just push it straight across. I think that's how I saw one guy operating it. And this is another example of a guy, he used two tables to make the tabletop nice and wide. And those tables is kind of expensive too. So you either can build one or you can buy one. Me, I decided to build one. That's another example right there. Now I want to show you what the rails look like, the type of rails that I'm gonna buy. So I've got the get off of here. And this is the rails that I'm looking to buy. They got a set right here for $41.99. and it's sold by Viver, which is the company that I bought my cold laminator from. I also bought my vinyl cutter from the same company. So this is what the rail looked like. And see, this part right here, those are the parts that will be attached to the sides that's going to be sliding back and forth. And that's pretty much it right there. Hopefully my camera is catching everything. Oh, okay. Yeah. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, so not only I'm gonna be doing screen printing, I'm also gonna be doing signs, banners, different types of signs and banners. And I'm gonna need like this type of equipment to get the job done a lot faster.